Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 4,000 amp 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 460 volt 3-phase, has been tested, checked out here at Lanco. It's in good working condition. Turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Unit is remote controlled. There is the remote with the digital meters on the top there. Overall dimensions, 38 inches long by 29 inches wide by 60 inches high, rated at 85 input amps. And come back to the remote to turn it on, hit the green button. Turn up the amps, turn up the volts. Take a look over here at the O-scope wave. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco.com. corp.com. Have a great day.